the English only rule was a means of distinguishing the upper class, the elites from the ghetto. You understand? Distinguishing the important people from the lower class people, right? It wasn't, because why would you say English only? I understand that we're an English nation, but what form of order is that reinforcing when you speak English only in Parliament? Look into it. Right? Because again, the purpose of a rule is to maintain a sense of order. The primary purpose of a rule is to ensure that there is order. Right? There is discipline and there is order that is taking place. And I'm curious to know what form of discipline and order, or correction, what form of indiscipline and in order would patois cause in the Parliament? I'm curious to know, or any other language. And so it goes back to the ideology of when you say rules are rules, really? Or is it a form of discrimination and feeling that you're important? Some rules weren't created for the purpose of order and discipline. Some rules were created to segregate persons. Some rules were created to make the persons, the enforcers of the rules, feel important. Again, these rules were formulated back 60 odd years ago. Let us look into it. What indiscipline would patois or any other language cause if it is spoken in Parliament? I understand when you're at a call center and they say EOP, English only policy, and the reason they say that is because you're speaking to Americans and you're speaking to English speaking customers, and so why would you speak patois to an English speaking customer? They're not going to understand. So in a situation like that, the order that is required and the discipline that is required is ease of transfer, because of ease of doing transaction and business. So when you're working in a call center, they have the EOP policy, so that, which is the English only policy, so that when you're doing the transactions with English speaking customers, they're able to properly understand you. That is the purpose of a rule. And that's a rule that I understand, because again, what's the purpose of me speaking Spanish to an English speaking customer? That makes no sense.